Hi there, my name's John and I'm a Zenfolio expert, and today I'd like to tell you about the location content block. One of the content blocks available for you to use with your website is the location content block, which allows for you to present an address for your studio, shooting location, business address, or any other address you might want to display. This is very useful for if you'd like to create a page on your website that displays different possible shooting locations, or if you'd just like to give your clients a visual map to show where each shooting location or address is located. To get started, from your Zenfolio dashboard, click the website icon in the left toolbar to be taken to the web editor. Next, you'll have to choose the page that you'd like to add the location block to in your site pages stack on the left. For this example, I'm going to add it to the contact page. Click the Add Content Blocks icon in your preview in the middle, scroll down to Content Blocks, and choose Location. The default placeholder block will be added, and you'll see a map overlay along with your business address and business name and text on the right. Please note that the map overlay and the business information does not correlate to one another exactly. Rather, they can be configured separately in the location toolbar on the left side. On the left, you can choose if you'd like to show this block on desktop, tablet, mobile, all, or none. You also have various appearance options you can configure, including the placeholder image, the width of the block, the style of the map pen, the individual map address, the color of the map, the zoom level of the map, the business address and telephone information displayed on the right, and you can choose to show your business hours or not. Last, you also have the ability to change the background colors or the scroll effect styles just to give that block a little bit more style. And there are various options available for layouts in each template, which can be changed by clicking on Layout in the Change Block Layout menu in the upper right corner of the block.